Alright guys, so my name is Arijit and I welcome you to this video. In this video you are literally going to learn how you can consistently make $100 to $1,000 every single day. And let me tell you one thing, this is not MLM opportunity, this is not a network marketing opportunity, and you have not heard about this concept anytime before. So without wasting any more time, let me just dive right into my computer so that I can show you some slides and help you understand this better. Rather than just seeing me talking about this, you will see live examples on the slides, so you will understand it in a professional way, in a very easy manner, right? So you will hear me. Obviously I'm not going anywhere. Just stay with this, watch this video till the end. It's literally going to change your paradigm as well. So let's dive right into it. So in this particular slide you're seeing like how to consistently generate $100 to $1,000 per month without spending more on customer acquisition. And you might be thinking something like, I am not making even $10 and you are saying that I can make $1,000 every single month. It's too good to be true, buddy. So you might feel like something like this, and if you think like you need at least a good amount of money or some fancy college degree to earn $100 to $1,000 per month, I'm here to tell you that you are thinking wrong, because you don't need that much money, or even you don't need a college degree to get started. It's something that can work with anyone in this industry, whether you're just starting out, whether you haven't made your first dollar on the internet, it's still going to work. Just stay with me. So by the way, have you ever thought of whether other marketers, this is not your first training video, right? You might have gone through every single training video on YouTube. You might have gone through multiple different marketers videos and you did not get value as much from them, so you might feel like they did not help you or something like that, right? So you might think that other marketers in the industry literally just want you to fail in the industry. So you are probably thinking correctly, because let me give you an example. If a marketer is trying to promote his or her course and tells you that you can just, with a push of a button, you can make X amount of money every single month, literally he or she is not going to tell you the real secret, because he has to sell version 2 of his course later on, right? Once he completes his first course, selling his first course, made huge amount of money from that, then he's going to promote his next course. And if he tells you the secret in his first course, you are not going to buy anything more than that or more from him, right? So that is why other marketers will literally try to help you fail in this industry rather than making you more money. And that is what I feel is what makes people feel skeptical about those people who are literally just trying to help them change their life. And anyway, so let me just ask you this, like how many times have you failed with affiliate marketing before? And how many years have you invested trying to do the traditional way of selling online? Let me know in the comment section down below this video, or anywhere. If you find a comment section, just put a comment with how many times have you failed with affiliate marketing before, and how many years have you invested into doing the traditional way of affiliate marketing. So you might be asking, what is the traditional way? If you're a beginner, you don't know, then you might ask this question: what exactly is the traditional way to do affiliate marketing? The traditional way goes like this. On the left hand side you can see a company, right? As an affiliate, on the top you are aligning yourself with that particular company. You are asking that company, hey, I want to sell your products, how much commission will you give me? They tell you like 50%, 75%, something like that. From ClickBank you can literally go and check it out. So once you align yourself with that company, you start referring people. And what traditional means of affiliate marketing tells us is that literally to just spam different groups, spam other people's assets, spam emails, spam forums, and That is how you make money. And if you don't make money, literally some of the marketers, you will hear this, honestly, trust me, you will hear this. Some of the marketers will literally tell you, if you're not making that much money, that means you are not sending traffic to your landing page. Please make sure that you're spending X amount of money right now to send traffic to your landing page. That is how you are going to literally make money. And you are going to spend that money, and trust me, you're not going to make even one single cent from it. Trust me, it's not going to happen. And the traditional way of affiliate marketing is something that people, like 96% people in affiliate marketing industry is following that, and they're literally just feeding. Literally, if you just survey even 100 people in some groups, ask them how much money they have made, literally they would just make fun of your post. Some of them might make fun of your comment. Some of them might even reply back with an original answer and a genuine answer feedback. They will reply and tell you like $100, $1,000 maximum. And if you ask them how many years did you spend in that, they would literally just tell you they have spent like 5 years, 10 years, more than that. I've seen people like spend 15 years in the affiliate marketing industry, and when I asked him like how much money did you make with affiliate marketing, you might be a very expert in the field, he replied me with a very shocking answer. Buddy, I have made like 300 and something dollars from affiliate marketing. It was from Amazon, and that's all I did. Like 15 years just for $300 is not what I feel is called affiliate marketing. So what's wrong in this business model? So you're relying on one-time offers. You're just referring people once and expecting to make money upfront. That's the call. When you go to ClickBank, when you go to Amazon, they literally will give you 12% or 75%, whatever commission. You make like $40, $37. Those are peanut offers. Don't be chasing over peanuts. Don't chase over peanuts. So you are literally just spending money to generate someone else's list. You're spending money to refer people to the company. And once your audience views that company as the sole owner, they would literally just forget you. They would literally just forget you, who they got referred from, and you are not building your authority in that way. You're just again starting from scratch, fishing in the same red ocean that is a Facebook group, whether it's a Google forum, whether it's your own relatives or something like that. You get the idea, right? So then you like might think like, okay, so then what should be the real way to do affiliate marketing? You might ask this question. Let me just give you this particular slide. This is literally $1 million picture that you're seeing right now. If you truly feel and understand what this picture holds, you will literally make huge amount of money every single month without doubt. I can just give you a guarantee upfront that you are literally going to make this money, any money that you want. Listen, success is something that happens before you make money. People always think, when I make X amount of money, I'll become successful. Success is not like that. Success is something that you become first, then you make money. So this concept is what is all about in this particular picture. So if you truly understand this picture, then you already know what I'm going to talk about. But if you don't understand this, and you might probably be thinking like, there's no clue in this, right? You might think something like that, but let me explain what was in the previous slide. Let me explain that. So the new ecosystem concept goes like this. You refer people once every single day and stack up your income stream every month. You will also be able to create an authority for yourself where people will recognize you as a sole brand owner. Okay, you will also be able to create a home on the internet, like you have a real home on the reality. You will also have a home on the virtual environment where people will literally just come to your home, see your place, hang out over your website, and you would literally just ask you questions, what they're facing, what their problems are, and everything. You're just going to respond back to them, help them. You are going to make money along the way. So you will also be able to replicate success businesses online with ecosystem concept or model. You will do the hard work once and make consistent amount of money every single month as a recurring commission. Remember when I talked about the peanut offers like $30, $40? This is not a peanut offer. It's literally a recurring commission. You refer people once and you make money consistently every single month until and unless that person you referred leaves the offer, leaves the company. Till that time, you are literally going to make this money. So you'd probably now be thinking like, okay, so this might be another MLM opportunity. You might need $10,000 to get started. You don't have time. You already seen such offers. You're not experienced. You don't have a system. Well, just hold on for a few seconds. Let me just explain why you don't need a system. You literally just use all my assets for the time being. You will get all these assets. You will just use those assets, my access to my Facebook private mastermind group, my sales funnel, my email templates, my checklist to follow, my Facebook ad swipes, my exact group that I hang out with, and you will get access to all these things. But before I do that, let me explain how you can make $100 to $1,000 per month consistently with an ecosystem model. So when you partner with me, you can literally just drag and drop high converting sales funnels into your account. Okay, you will be able to model what's working in the industry. You will be able to save time, countless hours of time wasted on researching. You will just able to get rid of them. You will be able to swipe my exact ad copy, Facebook ad copy, my email templates, and much more. You will literally just save $10,000 on mentorship. Imagine this. I once was facing your situation. That I had this situation faced once in my life when I got started with affiliate marketing, and I used to think like some people contacted me on a mentorship program. They asked me $10,000. I was like, I don't have money. How can I pay you that money? You have to teach me something so that I can make money first. And that is what is working in this industry right now. People are chasing for money, and once they get the money, you are in a haystack right now. You are bombarded with a lot of information. You get overwhelmed, you don't take action, and that's how you lose money and you feel like you got scammed. So literally, if you partner with me, you are going to get access to all the bonuses so that you can use that and get clients more and more, so you can focus on more important stuff. So you don't have to create those for the time being. So what we are going to cover is that week 1 we are going to talk about the new concept in affiliate marketing in very detailed format. Week 2 we will dive right into how to get the right proportion of traffic. If you get like one single traffic guy visits your funnel, it's not going to work. Number 1 is not the best number in a business. Remember this. If you feel like if you have one single income source in your life, that's not good. If you have one single person visiting your affiliate offer, it's not good. If you have one single one-time offer, it's not good, right? So week 3 we will go over building your solid foundation on the internet. Remember when I talked about the home on the internet? Literally in week 3 you will learn about how to create a proper home on the internet. It takes time, but it will happen for sure. Week 4 we will wrap it up with a session on how you can skyrocket your conversions using a tool called ClickFunnels. Okay, so you will be able to simply just copy and paste my exact funnel into your account. If this exact same thing I had to do with WordPress, it would have literally just taken me $15,000 or even more than that just to get a good website designer create something similar to what ClickFunnels does. And imagine this, like I don't have access to these kind of tools so that I can send you all my assets over to you. That is why I use ClickFunnels. If you want, just get into ClickFunnels through my link and start getting all the bonuses so that you can stack up your assets and build your foundation on the internet right away. So you have got 2 choices right now. Now choice number 1 is to do nothing like this sloth, and choice number 2, literally just take a leap of faith. But before you take a leap of faith, the real question is it worth gambling a few minutes of your time to check it out. Even if you don't feel like it's the best offer that you feel you should opt for it, just check it out for once. Even if it does like half of what I've claimed today, it will literally eventually pay for itself soon. So all you need is to just watch the upcoming lessons that I'm going to send you over on your email. Watch those lessons, get yourself into ClickFunnels or Success Challenge. If you're an expert in affiliate marketing, get into the Success Challenge. You don't need to get into ClickFunnels, and just start your journey with me. And once you do that, do make sure to send me an email to info@greatflavorsofdigital.com. I'm going to link every single information just below this video. Watch that video or go through the text. If you are a good reader, go through the text and understand what this business model is all about, and just click the button down below this video to get started right now. If you take action right now, it's literally going to change your life. Remember one thing, success is all about just one click away. If you feel like you are not going to do anything, then it's your call. But if you take a leap of faith, like imagine this, like this goldfish, she used to live in a jar that is filled with water. It has two grass, and that's it. She did not understand what it holds for herself if she just gets out from that bowl, right? We all have been manifested with these kind of informations every single day to stay comfortable, to stay in our comfort zone. We were taught to be like this. But if you just give me one chance and help you get out of your bowl, get out of your environment, you can literally just see the like whole ocean and feel what is out there apart from those two grasses on that fishing bowl. Like she jumped from that fishing bowl to the ocean, and right now she's living her dreams. She's moving around everywhere she can go. She's changing her life. Imagine this, you literally just change your life over the time, like within 30 days, within 60 days, within 90 days. If you could just literally change your life, imagine this, how much effective it will be if you just could realistically make $100 to $1,000 every single month consistently, apart from whatever income stream you have right now. If you go to a 9 to 5 job, let's say you make $2,000, what will that extra $1,000 help you with? How will your life change? How will you talk? How will you walk? How will you drive a car? How will you eat? How will you dress? Think of it. Imagine this. Take a leap of faith just by clicking the link down below this video. I gave you a very good example, right? Just click the link down below this video. Check it out if it's even worth it. Even if it does half of what I've claimed today, it will eventually change your life forever. And you will remember me because I changed your paradigm. I literally just helped you to change your paradigm. I did not change anything. It's you who's going to change your life. So take action. I will see you in the next upcoming lesson. You're going to receive that lesson on your email. Just watch that lesson, understand what I'm talking about, then think of it, take action. Okay, so I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and remember, it's just one click away.